In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Trello using a power-up. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get your data into your board without confusion. First, open the Trello board where you want the data to land. Make sure you have the right permissions on this board, since adding power-ups may require admin access. When you're ready, click on Power-ups in the board's menu. This is your gateway to extending Trello's features. Next, select Add Power-ups. This opens the Power-Up directory, which lets you browse and install tools that enhance your board. Head straight to the search bar and type Trello import. This narrows the results to the importer you'll use for bringing data into your board. When you see the appropriate importer in the results, click Add. Trello may prompt you to confirm or grant permissions, and that's normal. Click Add again to finalize the installation. If the button changes to a Settings or Configure option, that's a good sign that the power-up is now active. With the power-up ready, look for the option to choose a file. Click on Choose File and select the file you want to import from your computer. It's best to have your file prepared ahead of time, typically as a CSV or a supported Trello export format. Make sure your columns are clean and that there aren't stray headers or blank rows, as that can help the importer map your data more accurately. Once your file is selected and the importer has loaded the details, you'll see an option to review and proceed. When you see this, click on Check and Import. This step validates the file and starts the import process. If there's anything the importer needs you to fix, it will usually let you know here. Now wait for it. Keep the browser tab open and avoid navigating away while the import runs. Depending on the size of your file and your connection, this can take a little time. Larger boards or files with attachments will naturally take longer. Patience is key. When the importer finishes, you should see your cards, lists, and any supported fields populated on your board. Take a moment to scan through the imported items to confirm everything looks correct. If something appears off, you can adjust details directly on the cards or rerun the process with a cleaned up file. And that's it. Quick, clear, and effective. You've learned how to add the importer, choose your file, check and import, and wait for the process to complete.